the reference.
You getting upset? You watching your little brother open up all those gifts? You don't get to open it? Oh, it's okay, honey. It's okay.
This is right up your alley.
What is this?
A Lightning McQueen flashlight.
Oh, Gavin, flashlight. Look.
Mommy's gonna fix it for you, okay?
Gavin, you like that? You want your flashlight? Yes. Hey, come here. Come here. Oh, what?
He's got to get a car later.
Oh, ghost light. Come here. Bring Mater over here. Here comes Mater. Oh, man. Miss Ann knew just what to get you, didn't she? Look at that. Oh. Look at that. Can you turn it on? See the button? Nope. Turn. There you go. Push. Whoa. Ghost light!